Factorise x squared plus 6x. What we've got to remember is that factorising is the reverse process of expanding brackets. So if we have to expand like x times x plus 6, then we would do x times x to get x squared, and then x times 6 to get 6x. Now the question is, given that, can we get back to that? Because that's the process of factorisation. So let's give you a method for doing it. So to factorise x squared plus 6x, remember that x squared is the same as x times x. Put in a plus, and then we got 6. 6 we will write as in its prime factors as 2 times 3, and then x as x. And then what we do is we pair the common factors. So what's common here and here, if we compare up that x with that x. So we write down x, introduce a bracket, and then what have we got left? We've got x plus 2 times 3, which is 6. And then we've now factorised the original expression. So this has been a video to explain you how to factorise a simple expression. Hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.